Are you tired of trying to grow your business only to feel like you've left your family behind? Then stay tuned. Today we're going to talk about 5 quick tips to help you grow your business without abandoning your family. Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, and you are trying to grow your business online and keep your family intact, then you're in the right place today. Today, we're going to dive into how you can actually boost your business growth online without letting your family relationships take a back seat and feel abandoned. So let's get into it. Balancing work and family can be challenging, especially when you're working hard to grow your business. But it's both possible to excel in both areas with a bit of planning and strategy. So here I'm going to give you just 5 useful tips to help you achieve that balance in your life. If you're ready for it. Tip 1 is to set clear boundaries, in your life. It's crucial to define specific work hours and family time. For example, you might decide that you're going to work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then just switch off everything and spend that time with your family. Use tools like calendar apps to block out these times so that both you and your family know when you're available and when you're not. Having these clear boundaries, it helps to prevent work from spilling over into family time and family time into work time. It allows you to be fully present when with your loved ones and your clients. Tip number 2 is to optimize your work processes. To free up more time for your family, streamline your work processes. Use productivity tools like automation where possible. For instance, scheduling social media posts out in advance or using project management software can save you time and keep your business running smoothly while allowing your family to feel more present with you. By working more efficiently, you can reduce the number of hours that you spend on tasks and create more time and space for family activities. Tip number 3 is to communicate with your family. Let your family know about your schedule and any busy periods that you might have. It's important for them to understand that your commitments are there so that they can support you. This also opens up space for them to share their needs and their expectations of you. Regular check-ins with your family can ensure that everyone is on the same page and that you're maintaining a healthy balance. Tip number 4 is to prioritize family time. Schedule regular activities or outings with your family, something with your wife, something with your children, that ensures that you're spending quality time together. Whether it's a weekend trip or a weekly game night, making time for these moments is crucial for maintaining strong relationships. These planned activities can actually become cherished routines that strengthen your bond with your family and offer a break from the demands of work for you. Finally, tip number 5, seek support and delegate. Don't be afraid to ask for help and delegate tasks at work and home. This could mean hiring a virtual assistant to handle routine business tasks or involving a family member in household chores. Delegating can easily reduce your workload and then allow you to focus on more high priority tasks, both at work and at home. So there you have it. 5 practical tips that you can use for growing your business online while keeping your family life strong. Remember, it's all about the right balance that works for you and your family. Okay? So just remember, there's beauty, there is grace, and there is greatness within you. Now go and share those with the world today. All right, thanks for watching. If you want to go deep dive into the mechanics behind selling and persuasive communication, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe so you can get access to those deep dives over on Facebook. You'll find that link in the description of the videos. And if you just love the content and you'd like to buy me a coffee as a way of saying thank you, you can either use the QR code off here to the side, or you'll find that link in the description again. Again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.